Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the problems on parabola. In the previous class we discussed about what definition of a parabola and different forms of a parabola, that is y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to minus 4ax, x square equal to 4ay, x square equal to minus 4ay. For these four parabolas, vertex is 0, 0, and we discussed about focus, equation of the axis, equation of the vertex, and equation of the lattice rectum, and equation of the directrix, length of a lattice rectum. These 6 points. Okay, this equation of tangent vertex is not necessary. 6 1 vertex, focus, axis, equation of lattice rectum, equation of directrix, length of lattice rectum. You have to remember these formulas. Based on this standard form y square equal to 4ax, these 6 formulas, and y square equal to minus 4ax, these 6 formulas, x square equal to 4ay, these 6 formulas. Next, x square equal to minus 4ay, vertex, focus, axis, equation of lattice rectum, equation of directrix, length of lattice rectum. In everywhere it is a 4. Okay. Based on these formulas, we will do the problems. First problem, find the vertex, focus, equation of the axis, comma lattice rectum, comma directrix, and length of the lattice rectum of the parabola. Means we have to find all. First one, y square equal to 32x. First problem, y square equal to 32x. So compare this y square equal to 32x, equation 1, take it as 1. Then compare equation 1 with y square equal to 4ax. What is the 4a? LHS is same, RHS. 4a means x coefficient, so 4a is 32. 4a equal to 32, that is a equal to 32 by 4, that is a equal to 8. Therefore a equal to 8, that is the a value. Next, we have to y square equal to, it is which form it is, y square equal to 4ax form. Y square equal to 4ax means the parabola is like this, passing through the symmetry, and it is the directrix. So you have to remember the formulas. Y square equal to 4ax. Okay, all the formulas for vertex, focus, equation of axis, lattice rectum, directrix, length of lattice rectum. A equal to 8 we got. This is the rough diagram of a parabola. So vertex is 0, 0. For any parabola, vertex is 0, 0. Focus yes, a, 0. This point is the focus, a, 0. A means 8, that is 8, 0. And equation of axis. Equation, what is the axis? X-axis. X-axis equation is y equal to 0. And equation of lattice rectum. Equation of lattice rectum, this is, equation of the lattice rectum, this is the lattice rectum, x equal to a, that is x equal to a value 8, that is x minus 8 equal to 0. Next, equation of a directrix, that is x equal to minus a equal to 8, therefore x equal to minus 8, that is x plus 8 equal to 0. So length of lattice rectum, next one 4a, that is 4 into 8, a value is 8, that is 32. These are the 6 values. Mainly we have to find out a value. First we have to find the a value and substitute in the formulas. It is in the form of y square equal to 4ax, means the parabola is looks like this. So we have to remember recall all the formulas of this one: focus, vertex 0, 0, focus and axis, length of equation of lattice rectum, equation of directrix, and length of lattice rectum. Substitute in the formulas. Next problem, y square equal to minus 16x. Okay, y square equal to, let y square equal to minus 16x is equation 1. So compare equation 1 with standard form, y square equal to minus 4ax. Minus means the parabola looks like this. x-axis, y-axis, parabola. Y square equal to minus 4ax. So we get here minus minus RHS, 4a equal to x coefficient is 16, 4a equal to 16, a equal to 16 by 4, that is a equal to 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 ja, a equal to 4. So we have to formula, recall, it is the focus, it is the focus, it is the vertex, it is the axis, it is the directrix, it is the lattice rectum. Okay, you have to write the formulas in this substitute. Vertex is 0 comma 0 and focus is minus a comma 0, that is minus 4 comma 0. Minus a means 4, so minus 4 comma 0. Equation of the axis, axis is x-axis, therefore it is y equal to 0. And equation of lattice rectum, LR means lattice rectum, that is x equal to minus a, that is x equal to minus 4, a value is 4, therefore minus 4, that is x plus 4 equal to 0. Next, equation of a directrix, x equal to a, here formula, x equal to a value 4, so x minus 4 equal to 0. Length of lattice rectum, LLR means length of lattice rectum, that is 4a, means 4 into 4, that is 60. Okay, 4 into 4, 6. These are the values. Next, do the homework problems. Y square equal to 16x. Same. X square equal to, first problem, C problem is similar to first one. Okay, and this y square plus 36 x equal to 0 means y square equal to 36. We have to take minus 36. Y square equal to minus 36x means it is second problem. And it is x square equal to minus 16y means it is x square equal to minus 4ay form. It is x square equal to 6y means x square equal to 4ay form. Okay. Now to substitute in the formulas. Next problem. Find the equation of the parabola whose focus. Find the equation of the parabola whose focus is 2, 0 and directrix is x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Focus ఉంది, డైరెక్ట్రిక్స్ ఉంది, ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ పారాబోలా కనుక్కోవాలి. మనం కనుక్కున్న ఫార్ములాలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయడం, ఓన్లీ సింప్లిఫికేషన్, ఓన్లీ ఫార్ములాలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయడం. ఫోకస్ గివెన్ ఫోకస్ ఈజ్ 2, 0, దట్ ఈజ్ x1, y1 means x1 equal to 2, y1 equal to 0. Okay, yes, focus yes, x1, y1, that is 2, 0, so x1 equal to 2, y1 equal to 0. Understand? Next, directrix x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. If you compare with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, we get a value 1 means x coefficient 1, y coefficient 1 and c is 1. Constant is the 1 means a equal to 1, b equal to 1, c equal to 1. From here we got x1 value, y1 value and a value, b value, c value. So formula, what is the focus equation of a parabola whose focus and directrix is given, that is equation of a parabola whose focus x1, y1 and directrix is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equal to ax plus by plus c whole square by a square plus b square. It is the formula x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equal to ax plus by plus c whole square by a square plus b square. In this formula we have to substitute the values. What is the values? In the previous slide, x1 equal to 2, y1 equal to 0, a value, b value, c value, 3 values are 1. 2, 1, 2, 0, 1. Substitution. Here. So x minus, what is the x1 value? 2. So x minus 2 whole square, y minus y1 whole square means y minus 0 whole square, a value, b value, c value is 1. So x plus y plus 1 whole square by a square, a value is 1 whole square, b means 1 whole square. So x minus 2 whole square, y minus 0 means y square, x plus y plus 1 whole square by 1 square plus 1 square, 1 square means 1, 1 square means 1, 1 plus 1, 2 means x plus y plus 1 whole square by 2. So cross multiply చేసే 2 అనేది ఇటు వస్తుంది LHS side, that is 2 into x minus 2 whole square plus y square equal to x plus y plus 1 whole square. So simplification, this is in the next slide. So we got it 2 into x minus 2 whole square plus y square equal to x plus y plus 1 whole square. Here RHS, here a minus b whole square formula, but here RHS we have x plus y plus 1 whole square, means a plus b plus c whole square. That is the formula a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. A value is x, b value is y, c value is 1. So here 2 into LHS x a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square as it is. Next ikkada a square b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. A square means x square plus b square means y square plus c square means 1 square. 2ab means 2xy, 2bc 2y into 1, 2ca 2 into x into 1. So simplification, 2 into x square 2x square, 2 into minus 4x, that is minus 8x, 2 into 4 8, 2 into 2 into y square x square plus y square, 1 square means 1, 2xy plus 2y into 1 means 2y, 2 into 1 into x means 2x. Simplification, if x square comes to this side, 2x square minus x square, and y square comes to this side, 2y square minus y square plus y square. Next, this is minus 2xy, it will comes to RHS. Next, 2x, if 2x comes to this side, minus 8x minus 2x minus 10x, and next this 2y minus 2y, and 1 comes to this side, 8 minus 1 7 equal to 0. This is the equation of a parabola whose focus is 2, 0 and directrix is x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 is given. And so we have to substitute, identify the x1 value, y1 value, a value, b value, c value, and substitute in this formula. This formula is very important. X minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equal to ax plus by plus c whole square by a square plus b square. And substitute and simplify in RHS a plus b plus c formula whole square formula. In LHS it is a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square, it is a plus b plus c whole square. Next, second problem. Focus is 3, 4 and directrix is 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. It is also same. Focus it is given 3, 4 means x1 equal to 3, y1 equal to 4, and directrix 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, that is a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3, c equal to 4. So equation of a parabola whose focus is x1 y1 and directrix is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equal to ax plus by plus c whole square by a square plus b square. So substitute this a, b, c value and x1 y1 value in the equation. Next slide. X minus x1 means 3. X minus x1 whole square, that is x minus 3 whole square, y1 means 4, so y minus 4 whole square, ax plus by plus c whole square means 2x minus 3y plus 4 whole square by a square means 2 square, b square means minus 3 square, 2 square means 4, minus 3 square means 9, 9 plus 4 means 13. This value is 13. If you class multiply, this 13 will comes to this side. So 13 into x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square, remaining 2x minus 3y plus 4 whole square. So same in the LHS, 13 is comes to this side and it is same. In the LHS it is a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, it is a minus b plus c whole square. Same in the a plus b plus c whole square formula, wherever b is there you have to substitute minus. So a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc plus 2ca. If you simplify you get 13 into a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is x square minus 6x plus 9, y square minus 8y plus 16 This is a square means 2x whole square, that is 4x square. B square minus 3y whole square means 9y square. C square means minus plus 16. 2ab, 2 into 3 4, 4 into 2, 2 into 3 6, 6 into 2 12 minus 12xy. This 3 into 4 12, 12 into 2 24y. CA means 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16x. So simplification, multiplication. So multiply with here 13 LHS, we have to multiply with 13, 13x square plus 13y square, 13 6 the 78x, 13 8 the 104y, 13 25 the 325. Here simplification, 4x square plus 9y square minus 12x y plus minus 24y plus 16x plus 16. This is multiplication. If 4x square comes to this side, 13x square minus 4x square 9x square. If y square comes to this side, 13y square minus 9y square is 4y square. 12xy minus becomes it is plus 12xy, and 20 minus x 16x comes to this side means it becomes minus 78 minus 16 means minus 94x. If minus 24y comes to this side plus 24, so it is minus 104 plus 24 means minus 80y. This 16 comes to this side, it is minus 325 minus 16 means plus 309 equal to 0. That is the equation of the parabola. 9x square plus 12xy plus 4y square minus 94x minus 80y plus 309 equal to 0. I think you will get one doubt. We discussed in the starting problems our standard form y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to minus 4ax, x square equal to 4ay, x square equal to minus 4ay. But here equation is lengthy. ఓకే, ఇంతకుముందు ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేసినప్పుడు అన్నీ సింపుల్గా ఉన్నాయి పారాబోలా, కానీ ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసరికి ఈక్వేషన్ ఇంత లెంతీ ఉంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ అప్పుడు మనం స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఏంటి, వర్టెక్స్ 0,0, వర్టెక్స్ ఎక్కడ 0,0. ఈ పారాబోలా యొక్క వర్టెక్స్ 0,0 కాకుండా ఎక్కడనో వేరే దగ్గర పాయింట్ ఉంటుంది h,k, అప్పుడు ఈక్వేషన్ ఇలా వస్తుంది. ఓకే, వర్టెక్స్ చేంజ్ అయింది కాబట్టి చేంజెస్ మనం నేర్చుకునేవి మాత్రం సిలబస్లో మనకి పారాబోలా ఇచ్చినది మాత్రం ఓన్లీ వర్టెక్స్ 0,0. నెక్స్ట్ హోంవర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఫోకస్ ఈజ్ 1,-1 and directrix is 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0, and focus 3,-4, directrix is x minus y plus y equal to 0, focus 6,0 and directrix is x equal to minus 6. Okay, do the homework problems. Complete the fair notes and homework problems. If you have any doubts, please send me a message or call to me. Thank you.